welcome back to the Crazy Little Fish channel. Today we are making steam rolls, or you can call it rice rolls, but in Hmong you have to call it Fawm Kauv. Okay, let's get cooking, and also my mom's gonna help me. First, let's rinse the green onion and cilantro, and my mom will chop them up. Now I'm gonna mix the green onion. Now my mom's gonna cut the green onions, and make sure adults do this part, because it's very dangerous. Knives are not for playing, and it's not for kids, so we're putting the ground pork inside this pan. So you don't need oil because there's a lot of oil coming from the fat. I'm scared. So I'm just trying to break it up right now so it can melt, because some parts are frozen. It's really hot, so she's helping me. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt. Now we're gonna put the heat to medium, and we're gonna add a little bit of seasoning sauce. Smells good. Now we're gonna add a little bit of black pepper. Now we're done adding the black pepper and the seasoning sauce. Now we're gonna stir. Smells good, guys. My mom likes to use this brand of flour, and we're gonna follow the instructions at back. It's asking for 4.5 cups of water. Since we're doing 2 bags, you're gonna put the water right here, 9 cups. We're gonna put it on cold water. Now we're gonna put the flour in. Let's put it in, guys. Now we're gonna add 1/2 cup more water because we like our wraps thin. That's cold. That's hot. Now we filled it up 1/2 cup, so we're gonna put them. We're adding 1 tablespoon of oil. Look at all those bubbles. Now we're gonna mix everything together with the whisk. All you're gonna need is you need some foil with a napkin. Put a little bit of oil on it, any oil, and rub it on this foil here so your wrap doesn't stick to the foil. This is a crepe pan. Here you can get it from IKEA, and you need to heat up your crepe pan like that. Once it's heated up, you can put it to medium. What's medium? So you're gonna take a ladle, add a little bit of liquid inside, and put it on your crepe pan. Make it a circle. Make sure you fill up your whole pan. When the wrap is ready, my mom's gonna flip the pan onto the foil, and I'm gonna put on chicken, and then wrap it up. Just like that. Wow, it's so straight. Perfect. While cooking, I'm gonna make the cow. This is a perfect wrap, guys. My mom just, that's too much. That's big. Now you have to make, my mom said you have to make it skinny. So, skinny. 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 That's fat. Beautiful. Now we're gonna put it right here. We're gonna taste it now. Yummy. Good.
Why'd you put the whole thing in your mouth?